Exercise number 32. It is the type of stock which should appeal to small investors, and the bank has advised many of its customers to invest some money in the issue. Full stop. I am always influenced by the bank's advice, and I have had no reason to be sorry. Full stop. When you master this subject, you will have a tool which will assist you to secure a post in a business office. Full stop. When do you think you will have the large posters ready for us? We wish to mail them to the different stores on our list. Full stop. The Webster Hotel is the finest in Chester, and we hope you will register at this hotel when you come to our city. Full stop. The steamer leaves on Wednesday, the 6th of the month, and we must know by the first if you wish to ship the coffee by this boat. Full stop. We have had the case of books in the customs office for almost a month. Full stop. What is the charge for storage? Each year, research shows how to make things faster and with less toil. Full stop. What are we doing with the time we save? The loss caused by unpaid bills is the smallest we have had in several years. Full stop.